This home showcases a high-end interior design in every room, deliberately incorporating the client's love for color, pattern, and texture. Kim Armstrong Interior Design created this project in Lakewood, Texas, which is characterized by a vibrant and eclectic aesthetic. Throughout the project, one can observe the thoughtful integration of elements like wallpaper, custom drapes, custom furniture, and carefully planned layouts, including variations in floor elevations. The design ethos for this particular cottage aimed to evoke a sense of joy, successfully blending functionality with distinct style. Kim Armstrong is known for her mastery in space planning and material selection, often mixing traditional and modern elements to create spaces that feel both timeless and fresh. In this home, this translates to a lively and layered look, where color plays a significant role in creating dynamic moments and enhancing the architecture. For instance, blues are utilized in various tones across furnishings and even on a wood-paneled ceiling in the dining room, contributing to a livable luxury feel. The design also emphasizes the importance of incorporating unique pieces that tell a story, reflecting Kim Armstrong's approach to creating personalized spaces that resonate with the client's personality and lifestyle. This home exemplifies a philosophy that embraces bold color, pattern, and texture to create spaces that are both luxurious and deeply personal. This particular home, a landmark Charles Dilbeck design in Lakewood, Texas, presented a unique opportunity to blend historic architecture with a vibrant, contemporary sensibility. A key feature of the decor in this home is the intentional and artistic use of color. For instance, the dining room showcases numerous tones of blue across furnishings and even extends to a wood-paneled ceiling, creating a cohesive yet dynamic visual experience.